Let's now look at Nairobi Jubilee politics, and Nairobi Senator Mike Sonko's political career now hangs in the balance after top Jubilee party machinery crashed his team Nairobi-led political outfit. Nominated MP Johnson Sakaja has handed in his nomination papers as senatorial aspirant, leaving Sonko and former Starehe lawmaker Bishop Margaret Wanjiru in the cold. By close of business on Thursday, just a day before the final day of handing in nomination papers, Sonko was yet to be cleared after the party insisted that he hands in his original Form 4 certificate together with latest certificate of good conduct from the police. KTN News senior political reporter Duncan Haemba reports.
The flamboyant and ever-controversial Nairobi Senator Mike Sonko appears to be a man in dilemma if the latest turn of events in Nairobi County politics, ostensibly in the Jubilee camp, is anything to go by. For several months, the self-proclaimed super senator has been leading a gang of 4 politicians, calling themselves Team Nairobi, who have gone on record opposing Peter Kenneth's candidature on Jubilee ticket.
And I've made it absolutely clear that I'm running for the position of governor in Nairobi.
Immediately he declared his bid, political battle lines were drawn with the Sonko-led Nairobi team on one hand versus Team PK on the other that characterized their public displays, particularly on Sundays. But the chickens seem to have come home to roost after the Jubilee top leadership dismantled his outfit. Kenneth handed in his nomination papers as Jubilee aspirant for Nairobi governorship on Wednesday, accompanied by a host of Nairobi members of parliament, surprisingly among them Mathare MP Stephen Kariuki, son to Bishop Margaret Wanjiru of Team Nairobi.
We want to go through the process so that we are one. Whichever candidate wins, we are one.
Congratulations.
And on Thursday, Johnson Sakaja, nominated member of parliament, also handed in his nomination papers, seeking to vie as a Nairobi senator, an indication of what could be at play.
I have been with my colleagues who have also wanted the same position. And we say that Jubilee is a democratic party where we will be able to get the best fit for this city. However, a time comes when leadership, and not just leadership, but exemplary leadership, must be sacrificial. Leadership must bring people together.
Already posters of Dagoretti South MP Dennis Waweru, another member of Sonko's team, have emerged, perhaps an indication that he could be seeking to defend his team, therefore leaving Sonko and Bishop Margaret Wanjiru's fate hanging in the balance as far as Team Nairobi is concerned. On Thursday afternoon, unconfirmed reports went round in social media that Sonko was alleging there was a plot to deny him Jubilee ticket and that police had denied him a certificate of good conduct, while Jubilee Party had requested him to present his original KCSE certificates, which are ordinarily genuine requirements. Friday is the final day for all aspirants in Jubilee Party to hand in their nomination papers, and it remains to be seen whether the seemingly besieged senator will get a lifeline. Duncan Haemba, KTN.